The devastating LA fire has left numerous trails of heart-wrenching heartbreak and losses to people all over the world. Stay tuned in this video, and we'll be taking you through glimpses of various celebrity mansions that got wasted by this fire. Among its agonizing handprint are the lives lost, and physical memories are all just left to ashes. Recently, sources revealed that the fire has claimed at least 28 lives, with the Eaton fire, which spread through the Altadena neighborhood, killed at least 17 individuals, while the Palisades fire killed 11 others. In this video, we'll take glimpses of various celebrity mansions that got wasted by the fire. Of course, losing things, it's not the same as losing a life, but this is a celebrity lavish channel. And keep in mind that at the end of this, the fire, it recognizes no one, either by prestige, normalcy, or wealth. Among the thousands who have lost their homes in this fire are Bella Hadid's childhood home, Anna Faris, Paris Hilton, Ricky Lane, Janae Aiko, and many other celebrities. Let's take a look at the celebrities' once upon a time beautiful mansions and what they look like now. First up is Paris Hilton's house. Paris Hilton, among the massive inferno, took to social media to share a sad update for her fans: the ruins of her $8.4 million Malibu home after it was burned down in the LA fires. She revealed to her fans that she had to watch her house burn down on live television. In addition to the video, Paris added a lengthy caption describing her feelings after seeing her home in ruins. Hilton, who shares the son Phoenix Barron and daughter London Marilyn with her husband Carter Ram, recalled the beautiful memories that she shared with her family and emphasized that these memories would never be forgotten. Bella Hadid's childhood house. Bella Hadid's childhood home, known as the iconic Mediterranean-inspired mansion, served as a home where Bella Hadid and her sister Gigi Hadid grew up to share childhood memories that also were burnt by the fire. In Bella's recent Instagram stories, she shared horrifying photos of their childhood home, all being destroyed by the Palisades fire. The house also served as Yolanda Hadid's Malibu mansion in The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. Bella posted flaming photos of her childhood bedroom inside the lavish Malibu home where she and her siblings, including Gigi, once resided with their mom, Yolanda Hadid. In one photo, the blaze engulfed her former room and other parts of the mansion. The stunning home, known as the Carbon Canyon Estate, was purchased by Yolanda Hadid for $4.5 million in 2007. Yolanda and her now ex-husband David Foster renovated the mansion for 2 years. The property boasted 6 bedrooms and 11 bathrooms, frequently appearing in The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. While the family resided in the home, the gates were graced by the likes of Taylor Armstrong, Kim Richards, and Lisa Vanderpump. Also, the Mediterranean-inspired home was rented by Kylie Jenner for almost $500,000 a month. In 2015, the mother of 3 sold Bella and Gigi's childhood home after 8 years of residing there. Yolanda now lives in Fort Worth, Texas, where she's built a cowboy-style home with her fiancé, Joseph Gingoli. Jamie Chung and Brian Greenberg's house. Now, the star couple, Brian Greenberg and Jamie Chung, confirmed on January 9th that their home had been burnt down, but that their family was thankfully safe. Before the fire, the house was an oasis with a cozy backyard where the couple would raise their children. Greenberg and Chung, who have appeared in The Gifted, Gotham, and Once Upon a Time, have been married since 2015. They also shared 2 twin boys. Chung revealed that the house was originally Brian's when she first moved in 9 years ago. It was a typical bachelor pad with everything that was brown leather, beige, oversized, and not real cute. However, after the marriage, Jimmy made extensive renovations, starting from the kitchen and eventually working to the outside. Inside, they had lots of artwork, potted plants, and decor such as throws, trays, and framed artwork to make the rooms come to life. Now, regretfully, it's all gone, but thankfully the whole family's safe and ready for new beginnings. Next up is Diane Warren, the legendary songwriter, a 15-time Oscar nominee who has worked with stars like Beyoncé and Taylor Swift, and she confirmed that her Malibu beach house of nearly 30 years was destroyed. She shared a photo revealing the view from her home just 1 week before the fires. Warren also reassured her large group of social media followers that the chickens, ducks, goats, cows, and horses that were living at her rescue ranch are all doing fine, which is really the most important thing. Indeed, life is the most treasured thing in this material world, whether it be human life or the lives of our furry, beloved wildlife companions. Since the incident, many of Warren's friends and fans have reacted to her post by commiserating about losing her beach house. The actress Mandy Moore, and singer of course, shared an update on her Instagram on Thursday, writing that she could visit her home and bear witness to all of this loss, including 3 photos of what was left of her Altadena residence. Mandy's neighborhood and her home were ravaged by the Eaton fire that burned in Los Angeles County. But fortunately for her, she shared by saying miraculously that the main part of the house is still standing. For now, at least. It's not livable, but it's mostly intact. She also added that they lost their garage and back house to the fire. The photos that Moore shared showed her husband Taylor Goldsmith, a musician in the band Dawes, walking through a field of debris on what appears to be their lawn. Some of the debris piles looked like they were still producing smoke. Before the fire, Mandy Moore's home in Altadena, California, was a mid-century modern house with views of the San Gabriel Valley. The house was even featured on the cover of Architectural Digest in 2018. The R&B singer Jhené Aiko was also among the celebrities who revealed that her Pacific Palisades home was burnt down. The 36-year-old mother of two tragically revealed last week that her Palisades home caught fire amidst the LA fires. Now, reportedly, this becomes the second home that she will be losing to widespread fire, with the first being her childhood home. She had purchased the mansion for $5.6 million in July of 2023. The two-story building had 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms and was originally built in the 80s. The house that she lived in is just amazing. A living room that had vaulted and beam ceilings. It was just incredible. Exquisite cabinetry and a lovely natural light were all hallmarks of the main floor. After revealing that she lost her home on social media, the From Time singer received an influx of criticism from social media users that didn't feel that she deserved empathy because she was assumingly more well-off than other victims. Aiko, who usually just drinks water and minds her own business, had a response that said to social media users, "With all due respect, so many of you are loud and wrong. I worked very hard for many years. I went through a lot of pain to provide my children with this house. I put everything into it, praying that none of you ever experience this." Despite the tragedy that Aiko is experiencing, she still expresses and sends compassion to other fire victims in a follow-up post shared on her Instagram stories. At exactly 10:30 p.m. local time on a Tuesday night, Cary Elwes filmed his evacuation from Malibu. While driving down the winding LA roads adjacent to the apocalyptic Palisades fire, the Princess Bride star briefly hit the brakes to capture the blaze out of his window. He remarked, "We're thankful to have survived this devastating fire, even though we did lose our home." The home was designed with a touch of old world-style Moroccan style and was built in 1978 looking out on the ocean with surrounding hillsides. Some features of the home include a red-tiled portico, interior archways, and an expansive windows deck with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Cary posted the video of the destroyed home to Instagram with the hashtag #biblical. The following day, he shared an update that he and his family were safe, but that their home was destroyed. Next up, we'll talk Ricki Lake. Ricki Lake, the Hairspray actress, faces a devastating loss as the fire completely consumed her property in Pacific Palisades. However, several days ago, the actress shared that she actually knew about losing her home in the LA wildfires that were predicted by Hollywood medium Tyler Henry less than 3 months before it happened. Whoa. Now, on Thursday, January 9th, the talk show host and actress, now 56, shared a step-by-step video that showed how smoke and flames gradually approached her property before it was destroyed. She shared moments that her husband, Ross Birmingham, tried to contain the fire with the house sprinklers, hosing down the neighborhood palm trees and attempting to siphon gas for the fire defense system. Now, seeing all efforts yielded no fortunate result, it compelled her and her family to leave the home. Walking through the area, she shared her prayers with neighbors who also experienced the same loss. Next, we'll talk about Anna Faris. Actress Anna Faris' $5 million Pacific Palisades home was destroyed in the devastating LA wildfires. Shocking images published by TMZ revealed that the $4.9 million mansion purchased by Anna Faris at the age of 48 in 2018 had been turned into rubble by the fires. The swimming pool structure seen in the backyard without any water suggests the staggering heat evaporated it. Her home was bought after her divorce from Marvel star Chris Pratt. The 4,700 square foot home was built in 1979 and boasted 3 impressive fireplaces and a home theater. Anna and Chris were reported to have made their additions to the home at the time. The 2-story home had 13 parking spaces. It yielded a stunning heated pool and spa with canyon and mountain views. It also featured a fully furnished outdoor kitchen, barbecue, fire pit, tennis court, and private gym space. The home's interior had an impressive wood and marble flooring bit and had controlled heating and air conditioning units. It boasted a light and minimalistic theme with glass doors and large panel windows. Since the incident, she's yet to release a statement about the fire's destruction of her property. However, it's relieving that there's no evidence to suggest that she didn't make it to safety before the fire spread through their neighborhood. Next up, the Broadway producer Candy Spelling, the wife of the late TV producer Aaron Spelling and the mother of actress Tori Spelling, confirmed that her $23 million Malibu vacation home was destroyed in the fires. Aaron and Candy, who got married in 1968, bought the Malibu property in 1972 before expanding their estate by purchasing and remodeling the home next door in the 90s. The 8,000 square foot house featured 7 bathrooms and included 2 primary suites and sat on the coast of La Costa Beach. Although the New York Times best-selling author put the mansion on the market for $23 million in 2019, she eventually took it off for undisclosed reasons. While still in shock, she's beyond grateful for her family's memories in the home. Once the 7-bedroom oceanside retreat is reduced to rubble and ash, with little more than a scorched fence remaining as the only trace of what once was a stunning home. Next up, Mel Gibson. The Oscar-winning film star said his Malibu property was completely toasted and then criticized California Governor Gavin Newsom over the crisis. Mel Gibson revealed that his home had been destroyed in the LA wildfires while he was away recording Joe Rogan's podcast. Gibson said that he felt ill at ease during his visit to Austin, Texas, to appear as a guest on the Joe Rogan Experience because he knew his neighborhood was on fire. The Braveheart star said that he had lived at his property for about 15 years, and the homes of some of his neighbors had also gone, including one belonging to actor Ed Harris. In the podcast with Rogan, Gibson criticized the California governor, saying that Newsom claimed that he was going to take care of the forests, but he didn't do anything. The causes of the fire are yet to be made certain, but experts have shared that the blazes have been fueled by severe winds and fed by dry vegetation. In addition to the causes of the fires, investigators are also probing insufficient water supplies and pressure at fire hydrants in the Pacific Palisades as a possible cause. Although there are no perfect words to sympathize with fellow humans who have had to experience this, we still send the only tangible and indestructible thing, and that is hope. Those that are affected know that you're heard, seen, felt, and deeply sympathized with. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. We'll see you in the next video.